Welcome to Pancho Villa State Park, right on the border between New Mexico and Mexico. We are on a quest, and our quest is we're hunting for information on pictures we have as my grandfather was stationed here, chasing Pancho Villa around the west. And I have no information because he died when my father was 8 years old. So my father knew nothing and was told nothing by his mother because she kind of hated his father. So we're on a quest to find out the names of the people that are on pictures that he left. Let you know how it turns out.